Hello, my name is Gary and I want to thank you for joining me today. We'll take a few minutes and learn how to do something together. Always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for entertainment purposes only. With that said, let's take a few minutes and learn how to stake Altura in an ALU-BNB liquidity pool using Pancake Swap on Android. Alright, let's begin. We are in our Trust wallet and we have a balance of Altura here. The first thing we're going to need for staking in the ALU-BNB liquidity pool is we are going to need to have equal amounts of Altura and Smart Chain BNB. So I'll go to dApps, I'll go to Pancake Swap, and you need to, if you're not already connected, you'll need to connect your wallet. So I'll just quickly show you that. I'm going to disconnect. This is super easy. Tap on Connect Wallet, tap on Trust Wallet, and you might get an approval screen. You tap Approve, and it's done. So what I need to do here is make a swap, and I'm going to tap here where it says BNB, and I'm going to put in my Altura here, and then select a currency below and choose BNB. If you don't have Altura available within Pancake Swap, all you do is paste the contract address for Altura in this box in order to add it. So in this example here, I'm going to do half of my Altura balance so that I can do the largest stake possible. And that would be 9,000 Altura. Tap on the down arrow to clear the keyboard. If you have this Enable ALU button, tap on that. Tap on Approve. And then tap on Swap. You'll get a confirmation screen. Say Confirm Swap. Pancakes will flip and we will approve. Transaction is submitted. And now we can tap on the back arrow on the bottom right corner 2 times, refresh our wallet, and we'll see that we now have approximately equal amount of Smart Chain BNB, about $50, and about $50 worth of Altura. Now we're going to go back to Pancake Swap. Tap on dApps, tap on Pancake Swap. And the next step here is to exchange our BNB and Altura for a liquidity pool token. We're basically staking those assets into a liquidity pool. We'll tap on the hamburger menu here. Under Trade, tap on Liquidity. The next thing we're going to tap on is Add Liquidity. Select a currency. We'll select Altura. Select a currency. We'll select BNB. We will tap on Max, or you can enter the amounts manually, but you can tap on Max for whichever asset you have the lesser dollar amounts of. And then tap on Supply. You'll get a confirmation screen to show you the amounts of ALU and BNB that you're depositing and your share of the pool. Tap on Confirm Supply. The pancakes flip. Tap on Approve. Tap on Close. Alright, you should see something like this in Pancake Swap. Under Liquidity, it will show you now the number of tokens you have in that liquidity pool. Alright, let's tap on the X in the top left corner, go back to Wallet, and after you refresh your wallet, it may take a minute or two, your Smart Chain and your Altura balances will go back down to 0 or close to 0, depending on how much you staked into liquidity pool, and it will look like it's gone. the next thing we're going to do here is we will add the liquidity pool token to your Trust wallet, so you can actually see that balance. Scroll down to the bottom here and tap on Add Custom Token. Next, you want to paste in the contract address. You can find this address in the description of this video. I'm going to tap on it here and tap Copy. Go back to my Trust wallet. Tap on Network, tap on Smart Chain, paste. The name fills in Pancake LPs, Cake LP, and 18 decimals. Tap Done. Now I can see there in my wallet that I have 21.68 of these Cake LPs. They will not show a value, however. Okay. The next thing we want to do is stake them so that we can earn interest. We'll go back to DApps, go to search or enter website URL, and go to staking.alturanft.com. Tap on Done, and the site will load. Tap on Connect. You want to make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain network here. So at the top right corner where you have this Ethereum logo, I'm going to tap on that and tap on Smart Chain. Then tap on Connect. There we go. All right. I'm also going to switch to dark mode because it looks way better. So scroll down here and go to ALU-BNB LP. Tap on that box to expand it. And if our wallet's connected successfully, we will see our balance of the ALU-BNB LP token. I'm going to drag that slider up to 100%, tap on Approve. We'll get a smart contract call, approve it, and then wait a few seconds. Approval success. The next thing we want to do is tap on Deposit All. Smart contract call again, tap on Approve. Wait a few seconds. Wait a few more seconds. Deposit successful. Now if we scroll down, we will see we have deposited 21.68 of our ALU-BNB liquidity pool tokens into the Altura staking pool. In our wallet now, we'll tap on the X, we'll go back to our wallet. If we refresh our wallet, the balance here of the Pancake LPs has gone to 0. The staking pool gives you a receipt token for staking your liquidity pool tokens. If we go up to the top right corner, scroll down to the bottom again, so we want to add a custom token. Tap on Network, tap on Smart Chain, and go over and get this contract address from the video description. Copy it, and paste it in here. Tap on Done, and now we can see how many Altura V1 ALU-BNB tokens we're holding, which will be a much smaller number. Don't be concerned. There's no problem here. And this is the transaction receipt. This is what you have to have in your wallet in order to prove that you own the liquidity pool tokens that are inside the staking pool at staking.alturanft.com. At any time, you can come here to check up on your stake. By looking here, we can see that we have 21.68 liquidity pool tokens staked. And if you come back in a day, this will have gone up at whatever rate they are showing here. And you can just keep track of it that way. So if you like what you saw, drop me a like, and if you have anything to say, comment below and I'll reply as quick as I can. Cheers!